Okay, there's a lot of videos on the internet about how to turn your gas grill into a charcoal grill. I'm going to show you how to turn a pellet smoker into a charcoal grill. Very simple. I just wanted to go to Tractor Supply and buy another $200 or $300 grill that I do not have room for. So I got to thinking, everything on this grill, everything is over on your far right. So what we're going to do, pull these grates out. And we'll pull out the drip pan. So in order to make this work, we're just going to take one grill out of here. Yep, just find one of your old barbecue grills. Neighbor, somebody has. Just grab a grate out of it. And I've already installed it. Get your grate grill off of. Get a grill off of one of your other grills. That's all you got to install. Right there. We'll put the charcoal on top of that. Builds up a little fire. So I'll be right back. See how your smoker firebox is over on your right hand side? That gives you room over here for a charcoal grill. I did it out of necessity. I did not have room for another barbecue grill unless I left it outside. Barbecue grills don't last long enough as they are, especially if you leave them outside. So this is more out of necessity than anything. I was going to go down, I had me one picked out at Tractor Supply, but around $300. The only thing is you're not going to be able to raise and lower your fire. That other one had it on there. So I'm just going to get this going real good, maybe level it out a little bit. See, that's with one of the grates on there. So you really wouldn't even have to level it down. Just I'll go ahead and get the other grate in there. You get done charcoaling, we'll pull the grates back out, put the drip pan back in, and you're ready to go smoking again. Very easy. Down there on the bottom, down there where your barbecue briquettes. That's that. Frog. Down there on the bottom, down there where your barbecue briquettes, and they got sitting on a grate. Well, it gets air up underneath it, so it's gonna make a good fire. Okay, got all the grates in it. Now we're gonna let that run for about 20-30 minutes. Keep all your charcoal starters and stuff down there at the bottom. Pellets over here in the box. Pretty neat idea. Can't believe I'm the first one to think about it. First video on YouTube of how to turn your smoker, your pellet smoker, into a charcoal grill. We're doing it right here. We're gonna throw a steak on there in a minute, so stay tuned. It's gonna be good. That last grill I showed you, I haven't had a steak since last October. That grill caught on fire. It was so bad I had to put it out with a fire extinguisher. So then I power washed it, and I never did use it after that. So the steak I was trying to cook on that grill, I wound up cooking on this grill with the smoker. Okay, that thing went out. I hope it's going to continue to. I'm sure it will. I think it'll be fine with that. It gets air up underneath it. I think it'll be fine. I'll come check it here just shortly. I was thinking this smoker had a stack on it, but it don't. Don't have no stack on it. So I'm gonna have to leave I have to let that come up to temperature. I'm gonna have to leave the door open until we throw a steak on there. Then we can close it down. When we get the coals looking nice and hot and red. I got some broccoli I'm gonna throw on there. Baked potato. I'll probably cook that in the microwave. I was wanting to get a ribeye steak. But it's $23 a pound. I was $23.99 a pound. I said, I don't think so. Wound up getting a Kansas City strip. So we'll be right back. We'll let this fire go for a little while. Yeah, you can always add some mesquite smoking chips if you want to. Or you can even turn the smoker on. Plug it in, turn it over on smoke. Had the lid open and I'm bringing this temperature back up. It's just about ready to go. Got my broccoli in there going. Now, waiting on those 3 or 4 up there on top to turn nice and red, and I think we'll be ready to cook. Got a couple hamburgers and ribeye steak. Not a ribeye, I mean, I wasn't going to buy a ribeye steak. They're $23 a pound. Kansas City strip. So it's going to be a few more minutes. Okay, we got this about 325 degrees. It's getting way on up there. Those top charcoal briskets are still not turning red yet. I'm about ready to just go ahead and cook. Tell you what, it's hot. Woo. We'll go ahead and cook them hamburgers, get them out of the way. Now you could turn on the other side over here. Get that side over there going too, and you could have the whole grill. But you're going to be a lot hotter over here. Okay, I'm going to go get another clean plate. Let them cook for a minute. That broccoli ought to be getting pretty close to done. That side looks good. Okay, give them a few more minutes. Okay, I flipped them hamburgers over one more time. Shove them towards the back, let them finish up. We're going to get that steak on there. Now we're going to let her cook for a little while. That's showing a little bit over 300 degrees. I'll be able to flip them hamburgers again. Like they're getting done. Looking good. What I might do is that grate down there is probably a little bit too low. I might find a way to kind of raise it up a little bit. See, it's probably about 5 or 6 inches from the charcoal itself. I mean, there's a lot of heat there, but when you throw on a steak, you want the sizzles right as soon as you throw it on the grill. You get them grill marks. Didn't quite do that. So a little bit of modification, I'll have this thing figured out. I think a few more minutes this thing will be done. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit on that side. Okay, this thing's just about done. Just had some way of cranking this thing down to the fire about that far. We'll bring the charcoal up. I think it's a pretty good test run though. I think next time I build my fire a little bit closer. I don't think I'd build it on top of that box over there. Burn it up. Yeah, we'll just find something metal and make a little frame out of it. Get that bottom grate brought up. Even 2 or 3 inches would make a big difference. It's pretty hot though. I think I'm gonna pull it off there and we'll go check and see what it looks like. Like about medium rare. Don't like it too done. You can always throw it back on if I have to. Mess here and flip that back in the fire. Okay, let's go throw it on a plate, see what it's gonna look like. Okay, does that look good or what? Wow. I think I'm a little bit on the done side. I'll cut this in half. We'll cut it again. There we go. A little pink in the middle, a little bit more like medium well. Like to have a little bit more pink than that, but not bad on the first try. There you go, take you a bite. Alright, I'm ready to eat. Alright, that's how you take a pellet smoker, turn it into a charcoal grill with briquettes. Alright, thanks for watching.